What's up, hearties, and welcome back to my channel. It's like after 9 o'clock in the night. Feeling a little tired, but I gotta do my hair because I can't go no place like this again. I mean, I did go to work with my hair looking like this, but it wasn't this puffy. You'll need a rat tail comb. This one kind of break because it fell on the floor. It wasn't because of my hair. It fell on the floor, it broke. So anyways, I went ahead and I parted my hair. And I'm going to part my hair right here too. I had jumbo twist in my hair as my protective style for the week, and then on Friday I took it out. I wore it as a twist out, but then today she looking like she needs something different. So one big giant twist. Oh boy, about to look really crazy right now, but it's okay. So I'm going to braid a little bit of my edges gently. Okay, so for the regular twist, I am going to be putting some coconut milk in my hair, Envy coconut milk, and I'm going to be sealing it with my coconut oil hair conditioner, Blue Magic. And this is the Envy My Edges. I used it right here. I'm going to leave a link in the description so y'all could check these out. If I already went ahead and parted this hair. I'm not doing a twist small because I like them looking jumbo. So applying the milk. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of the Blue Magic. Then I'm going to brush it. Then I'm going to start to twist. Okay, so the twist looking nice and moist. And then as it dries, it'll thicken up a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and do some more. I'm going to be doing like a slanted part. and do the rest, and then I'll come back. Okay, so far so good. Okay guys, so I just got done. I'm very sleepy. I don't even know what time it is 11:20. And I really wanted to do them big, but for some reason I ended up doing them smaller. This is how it's looking. That's how it's looking. And tomorrow I'll be back. Ta-da! So I went ahead and I added the jewels to, okay, add a jewel here, add a jewel here, add a few here, I might add one here, and I put these big gold earrings. In the sunlight, you could kind of see the highlights. You don't really see the highlights indoors, but in the sunlight, you see it. And it's looking really nice. I have like a glare, right? Yeah, so it's looking really nice, really cute. Love how it turned out. If you guys enjoyed this style, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.